Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix no location found on Find My iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're having the issue that your Find My see no location found, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So there are some possible ways. The first way is that you have to turn on your location services. So sometimes your location services accidentally turned off, so you have to turn on them first. So open your settings app here, go for privacy and security, go for location services, and you have to make sure that you have enabled this toggle to enable location services, and then scroll down and look for find my iPhone or any option. So select find my iPhone from here and then select hide using the app or widgets, and then you have to enable precise location for find my iPhone. And once you have done, it will reset your location settings for your Find My iPhone app. And after that, if you still have the same issues, it might be that you have a network issue. So open your control center here and you have to make sure that you haven't any network issue. So you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 45 times. It will make a quick refresh with your network settings. You have to try to connect with the strongest and stable network, and after that if you're still having the same issue, so you have to make a force restart of your iPhone, because sometimes it might be that your phone needs to restart, so it might be these type glitches. So you have to quickly press and raise the volume up, then volume down, press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and raise the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you find the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, your issue will be fixed and you will not get the same issue again in your Find My iPhone app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.